Tamilnaga Vetri Kadagam chief C. Joseph Vijay began his tenure as Tamil Nadu Chief Minister with the swearing in of a 9-member cabinet on May 10th in Chennai. The new ministry includes senior politicians, first-time MLAs, former bureaucrats, professionals, and young leaders. Among the key appointments is TDK General Secretary Percy N. Anand, considered Vijay's closest political associate. The 62-year-old leader elected from Srinagar earlier served as an MLA in Puducherry and played a major organizational role in the party. Veteran politician K.A. Sengottaiyan also took oath as minister. The 78-year-old is a 10-time MLA and former AIADMK heavyweight who joined TDK in 2025 after decades in Tamil Nadu politics. Adav Arjuna, seen as one of Vijay's top strategists during the election campaign, was inducted after winning from Willy Vakkam. He previously worked as a political consultant and was associated with the VCK. Former IRS officer and Dr. P.G. Arun Raj became one of the prominent technocratic faces in the cabinet. C.T.R. Nirmal Kumar, who earlier worked with both the BJP and AIADMK, also joined the ministry after winning from Thiruparan Kundaram. Popular YouTuber and public speaker A. Raj Mohan was among the first-time MLAs inducted into the cabinet. Advocate and TDK treasurer P. Venkataramanan, dentist-turned-politician P.K. Prabhu and 29-year-old S. Keethana also took oath. Keethana, elected from Sivakasi, is among the youngest ministers in the Tamil Nadu cabinet and represents the party's push for youth representation. The TDK government is expected to seek a vote of confidence in the assembly in the coming days after securing support from Congress, left parties, VCK and IUML.